Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Dr. Jess. I am a nutritionist and doctor of Oriental Medicine and Acupuncture, and today I'm going to be sharing with you my dairy-free and gluten-free cheesecake recipe. So the first thing we're going to do is add our gluten-free graham crackers to a food processor and process until finely chopped. Then pour the finely processed graham crackers into a bowl and add half a cup of ghee or coconut oil. Stir the graham cracker mixture until fully incorporated. Then pour the graham cracker mixture into a pie pan or a small baking pan. Then firmly press the graham crackers so that they are evenly distributed into a thin crust. Set aside your crust and prepare a large bowl with the dairy-free cream cheese and coconut whipped cream. Add a teaspoon of vanilla and then blend on high for about 30 seconds until it is fully incorporated and smooth. Add your cream cheese filling on top of your pie crust and spread evenly. Next, slice your strawberries into thin slices. Then, the fun part, you get to make your design. I chose to make 2 outer circles and fill the center with blueberries, but you could also make the shape of an American flag. Once complete, you can keep your cheesecake in the refrigerator until you are ready to serve. If you enjoyed this recipe, please hit subscribe. I make one new video every week on healthy recipes, natural remedies, and living sustainably. Be well. I'll see you next time.